This Toyota Tacoma. Want to catch a quick video. TRD 4x4 Sport. Lifted. Upgraded control arm with the greasable upper ball joint. I think these are 33s on the tire size. Replacement strut as well. Hard truffle tonneau cover. That is a factory Toyota Tacoma application. Rear view camera. And this truck is a little bit unique. Forgot to bring the keys out, but yes, this is a manual shift. It does have a really nice upgraded stereo. Pretty unusual to find a stick shift Tacoma these days, even though that's the way they all used to come. But a clean truck, low mileage, 30,000 miles. Perfect undercarriage. One nice used Tacoma. We also just got in a Tundra, so if you check the website, it's lifted up on I think an 8-inch kit, a little bit bigger. That's on the website. Try to catch a video of that at some point today also. This truck is priced at stock pricing. You're not paying a dime for the lift kit, wheels, tires, accessories, which don't matter much to some people, but for those that know what it costs to do a truck these days, that's probably $5 grand worth of tires, wheels, lift, tinted windows, stereo, side steps, shucks, probably a little bit more. So priced just the same as dealer pricing on a stock used Tacoma of this year and mileage. Check it out on the website. Lots of other pictures. Financing available with proper credit. Check us out anytime. Thanks for watching.